Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about how to solve Snapchat banning problem. First of all, make sure you have the Snapchat app downloaded. If you don't have it yet, go to the App Store and download it now. After that, open the settings. First, go to your phone settings, scroll down, tap on the General and then go all of the way to the bottom and select VPN and Device Management. If you have a VPN set up or enabled, I recommend disabling it. Connection through a VPN can cause problems for the Snapchat and they may view it as suspicious behavior. Disabling any VPN connections may solve the problem. Go to the General tab and find the iPhone storage section. In this section, find your apps, specifically Snapchat. Tap on it and you will see the options to unload the app. Tap and load app to continue. Once the uploading process is complete, go back to the General section. This time look for the date and time item, disable the set automatically option, manually set the time in a different time zone and adjust the time itself. Once you make these changes, your ban on Snapchat will be lifted. Try this method and post in the comments if it helped you.